So this exercise, my partner takes a back stance and he pushes towards me. I engage the push and then I touch down to his base. So he increases the pressure so that I have to drop my hip, stretch my spine to neutralize that pressure through stretching through him. From there, I open the joints, expand my space, and I just project forward until I've got his root cut. Now, what I want to do from here is he just leans into me in a little bit dead-weighted sort of way. He goes into dead-weighted muscle tension so that he can neutralize the effect of me expanding this energy. And then what I want to do is just pull it to the side and catch the edge of that dead-weighted tension and force him into taking a step. Now, when he takes the step, there's this very, very strong feeling of his balance moving, his center of balance being lost. He takes a step and he regains the center of balance. In him moving out of balance and back into balance, his mental, astral, physical body, his three dantians go out of alignment and back into alignment. And I want to be able to feel this. So he pushes in on me again, and I just wave to the left, and then I wave to the right. And I wave to the left, and I wave to the right. But as I'm doing this, he just keeps pushing towards me. And as I hit the edges of his tension, I'm getting a continuous feeling of balance lost, balance regained, balance lost, balance regained, balance lost, balance regained. And I'm touching the line of tension, I feel the edge, and I just stream vital energy forward and through to the left of him and to the right of him. And I'm forcing this stepping. So as I'm doing this, it's very similar to the morning standing practice, where you vital breathe, you project the energy forward, you project it towards something green in the distance. Something closer would be better, 6 meters or so, but you could go as far as you wanted. And then you stream the energy out. You drop the hip, stretch spine, open the joints, tune to the vital force, move towards the electric state, and you project that electric fluid out. And you just stand and have a continuous stream of energy. You don't stream energy in such a way that you deplete yourself. You stream energy in such a way that you force generation of energy. So the same feeling of extending energy out, then he goes dead weighted to neutralize it, and then I just go a little bit left, a little bit right, and I stream as a wave side to side. And what this will do, it'll give you a sensitivity of person coming in and out of balance, the three bodies waving and aligning, and you'll come into a feeling of this is how I access the gap between the mental, astral, physical body. This is how I get in. And simply by doing this exercise with walking, you might walk the person down the room and just keep waving them to the left and the right, and they just put a little bit of dead weightedness on you. These gaps become very evident, so it develops a type of listening skill. So now I remember that gap, and I can put my mind and energy straight into that space, because I remember it. It's a state of alignment between the three bodies. Now, he can be fully grounded, and you ground yourself, but I still remember the gap. So I can put my mind straight into that place in which I can put energy to affect him. And then my partner becomes more dead-weighted, more grounded, more challenging, and then I develop my skill under more challenging types of environments. This will build a bridge for you to touch people who are wrestlers and very grounded types, get access to them, and make these internal principles work and function. Develops a type of listening skill that's quite unique. So revision, connect to the base, stream through your partner, they neutralize dead weightedness, find the edge of tension on the left, stream the energy continuously to the left, continuously to their right, and wave side to side, and get the three bodies to start coming in and out, the balance, the astral feeling of energy in the physical, and then you perceive the gaps. Well, as you perceive the gaps, and just learn how to touch them instantly. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.